Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make text appear after objects in a video on CapCut. So here you just need to add a video with a person or people passing through like this, and then just go to text and add your text. Can adjust the text to your liking, and then after that put the text after the object. So for example in here, and just click on a check icon, adjust the text until the end of the video like this, and then export the video. Then you can just go back and then delete the text and add the video that you just saved as overlay. Okay, like this. Just fit the size, and after that you can go to the beginning of the video, click on the overlay, add a keyframe, and then go to mask, select split and rotate it like this, and then go back to where the text starts. So I'm going to go here, then I'm going to add, okay, I'm not going to add the blurry effect first, and then just click on a check icon, and then you can just move forward, add another keyframe and go to mask, then drag the masking like this, so just repeat the steps until the text appear. Like that. So I'm going to show you until the end of the text appear. So now the text will appear like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.